What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today, we are going to be taking a look at XRP versus the dollar. The market is looking pretty good today. I hope you guys had a great weekend. And also, if you feel compelled to sub in or are new to this channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and also drop a like on this video. All right. I appreciate you guys that have been supporting this channel this far. It has been a long time since, growing this channel, but I am very appreciative of everybody that has been supporting this far. I just want to say God bless everybody, and I want to acknowledge Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. I always have to acknowledge him before I start any analysis in my videos or in my live streams. So I definitely want to do that and get that out the way, because Jesus Christ comes first in my life, and I definitely want to put him out there. That being said, I want to let you guys know that XRP is in an interesting place right now. The market is looking bullish on the lower time frames, and on the daily time frame, you can see we're in a gigantic ranging market. So we're not in a official bull market until we get above the 63 cent 599 level. So we still have some fight here, and you already see some minor rejection going on right now on the daily time frame. But we'll have to confirm that on the lower time frame to see what's really going on. If you notice here in the market, we were ranging down in this point down at that here. So we were ranging, and then we had our breakout at that 48 cent 791 level, the level I was talking about in my live stream. So if you guys watch my live streams, this is where I said price needs to break to go higher, and I said price needs to break this level at 41 cents 554 to go lower. So we did get our breakout here. So let me clean this up for you guys. We did get our breakout right there at that level. So if you had entered in at that price level, you should be up. Let's see, currently, if you had got out at the tip, you would be up 23.62%. Currently, the market did take a little drop. You would have 16.08% currently. So this market is looking bullish right now. The question is, can it break the 63.599 level? If we can't get above that, I expect prices to come back down for a retest, probably retest at the 51 cent level, then make another move to the upside. The market may look to do this, is what I'm believing, make an N wave and then continue higher. So that's possibly what the market is looking to do. The momentum is there for the bulls. So if bulls could take advantage of this current market right now, I expect this market to go a lot higher. But let's take a look at the lower time frame. Let's see what's going on here. Let me go ahead and move to the 4-hour time frame while we're here. All right. So looking here at the 4-hour time frame, as you could see, let me go ahead and knock this off here, so y'all could get a better look at this market. All right, there we go. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, I had said that there was a S wave. This is the S wave that formed, and you see price has moved higher and hit that one-to-one measured move. That one-to-one measured move was this move here. So you got that N wave in here, but the bigger structure and the bigger pattern here was this S wave that formed, pushing prices higher. So we hit that one-to-one level. You're already seeing some rejection here. So my overall bias is still pushing up higher to the 63 cent level. We still got momentum in our favor. We still got Kijun angled up. We got Tinkerson angled up. We also have Secret Spank A and B also angled up. And price is moving higher. This was the entry. As I was telling you guys, this green line was entry too. If you had missed this first one, we had a Kijun bounce here, and then a fractal breakout. So if you have missed the Kijun bounce, you could have got in on the fractal break here. You see price broke that bullish fractal and went higher. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm probably seeing the market, depending on how this 4-hour candle closes. We still got 31 minutes before it closes. It could still close higher. If it closes like this, that's showing signs that the market is starting to weaken. If that's the case, Kijun will go flat and span A will angle up and span B will go flat here. So this is what I'm going to observe when the market closes. I think if we could manage to push higher, we'll probably get to that 63 cent, the top of the box. Once we get to the top of the box there, then I'm probably going to look to see if we're going to reverse at that high, come back down, or we're going to break it and get to the price of 66 cents to 70 cents. So it's going to be interesting to see how this market plays out. But right now, the market is looking pretty strong to the upside. I'm thinking the market's going to push higher. I do believe that we'll get back up to the 63 cent range. Then we'll have our fight there. Then probably a correction back down to the downside. And then we'll see prices push higher. So that's my bias right now for this market. Let me know in the comment section what you guys believe is going to happen. Do you think we're going to hit 63 cents and break it? Or do you think we're going to hit 63 cents and come back to the downside for a massive correction? So let me know in the comments below. If you are new to this channel, you like what you see and heard today, definitely subscribe, tune in for more content, and put your requests, your crypto requests to analyze in the comment section below. I do analysis on anything. I'm not biased. I'm not a tribal tribalism on any coins. I do like XRP, and I do like a lot of other coins out there. And there's some coins that I just don't like that I think have no real use case in the future. But that being said, God bless everybody that watched this video. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next. God bless and peace.